26 miles per hour, 27, 29, 30 miles per hour, guys. What's up, guys? Today we are checking out a brand new powerful e-bike. This is the Duotts C29 electric bike. Now this e-bike has a number of great features which include torque sensor, powerful 750 watt motor, massive 80 kilometer range and lots more. Design wise, the e-bike is made from aluminium alloy and finished in black with elements of blue to add some character. The e-bike comes very well packaged in a large box, and the first step is to snip all the cables. So let's go. Now with everything out of the box, let's check out the accessories. So you get a user manual with easy to follow setup guide. I got a water resistant bike mount with fixtures included, a quick release wheel lock, left and right pedals clearly marked left and right, a multi-tool which comes very handy, some wheel reflectors, power cable, a power supply, and here is a close-up of the voltage info, and the battery is removable and it's well packaged separately. And you get 2 keys to lock and unlock the battery to the bike frame. Now this also came with a manual tyre pump. And here are the front and rear fenders. So it looks like it's time to assemble this bike. Let the games begin. Now this comes with everything you need to assemble the bike. I'm using my favorite electric screwdriver because I'm just lazy, but all tools and fixtures and everything you need is provided in the box. And I need to mention the instructions are very clear and easy to follow, so you really can't go wrong. Even if you've never put an e-bike together, you'll be able to follow these instructions and assemble this bike. The fenders and the rear bike mount does not come pre-assembled, but again, no bother putting it together. So it took me just under 40 minutes to fully assemble the bike. Now on the left of the handlebar you have your brakes, gear shifter, light switch for the front and rear LEDs, and then you have a control unit display which has a power button and a plus and minus button to switch between the pedal assist modes, and there are 5 pedal assist modes to choose from. And on the other side we have another brake handle and another gear shifter. So this bike has 21 speed Shimano gears. And this bike also features a USB-A port to charge your phones. Furthermore, this e-bike has a powerful 750 watt motor. There is a built-in torque sensor giving you up to 65 Newton meters of torque. So harder you pedal, more power you get from the motor. Slow pedaling will give you less power, and 65 Newton meters of torque is pretty decent. Now the top speeds from this e-bike is supposed to be around 15 miles per hour, but in pedal assist level 5 I was reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour, which I was not expecting, especially as I was not wearing a helmet either. But I have to say, really nice power from this bike. 26 miles per hour, 27, 29, 30 miles per hour, guys. That is top speed. I don't even want to press the brake right now. Quick acceleration and amazing top speed. 29-inch tires are nice and grippy, and the overall ride was very comfortable, and the e-bike looked pretty good too. Hills are no sweat for this e-bike, there's plenty of power. Hydraulic disc brakes are also quite good, and the 21-speed Shimano gears means that if you run out of electric power, there is no problem riding this bike in any situation thanks to the gears. Now, really liking those front shock absorbers. It really does make a difference when riding on bumpy terrain, and the fat tires ensure this bike can handle more or less any terrain. Furthermore, this e-bike offers a massive range up to 100 kilometers, and of course that would be dependent on the speed and the rider's weight. Battery is removable and takes around 4 to 5 hours to fully charge, which is a good thing because the e-bike itself weighs 31 kgs, so you don't want to be carrying that in and out of the house. It's nice that you can just remove the battery, charge it, and then stick it back onto the bike frame. Now this e-bike also has its own smartphone app called the Duotts, and it's available on both Android and iOS devices. The app will let you see things like battery level, current speed, pedal assist levels, total mileage, and you have some quick controls, things like startup mode and cruise control. There is also turn-by-turn navigation software included within the app, so you can plan your journeys. And you also have some cool social features too, where you can compete with other riders around the globe, including your friends, and compare your riding distances, etc. And you can also share your own social posts within their community page. So quite an interesting and useful app, and this e-bike does have built-in Bluetooth, and that is how it's going to connect to this smartphone app. Now you can pick this e-bike up right now on sale for £797, offering you pretty decent power for the money. That's all for this video. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.